You've done everything right. You went to bed early, clocked a full 9 hours on the pillow, and yet you still wake up feeling drained, heavy, and exhausted. More hours in bed do not always translate to more physical energy. Clinical research reveals that your brain doesn't actually count the hours you spend in bed. It tracks the quality of the cycles you complete. Sleep is an active, high-performance recovery mode that primes your brain for sharp focus and effective decision-making. This timeline illustrates how your brain rests. It never fully shuts down, moving through precise 90-minute blocks alternating between deep sleep and REM. If your alarm interrupts the middle of a cycle, you trigger sleep inertia, the biological cause of that groggy, heavy morning feeling. To fix this, stop setting alarms for random times. You need to plan your rest strictly in multiples of these 90-minute blocks. For optimal recovery, you are aiming for exactly 6 hours or 7.5 hours of total sleep time. By timing your alarm to match the exact end of a complete cycle, your brain shifts back to alertness and the morning heaviness disappears. Achieving those uninterrupted cycles is impossible if your mind is actively looping on daytime stress and unsolved problems. Psychologists recommend a practice called cognitive offloading. This means setting a hard boundary where all work and intense problem-solving must stop exactly 2 hours before you go to bed. By writing down your tasks and anxieties, you externalize them. This signals your nervous system the threat has passed, making it safe to rest. During these 2 buffer hours, your brain undergoes a physical transition. It shifts away from high-stress, active beta waves and settles into relaxed alpha waves. This deliberate offloading process stops your thoughts from looping the moment your head hits the pillow, removing the psychological barrier to deep, restorative sleep. To protect your sleep quality every single night, you need a strict biological shutdown sequence. We call this the 3-2-1 power down rule. This graphic maps out the sequence. 3 hours prior to sleep, pause heavy food to stop digestion. 2 hours prior, stop complex problem solving. 1 hour before bed, you need 0 screens. Blue light blocks melatonin release, keeping you trapped in an artificial state of high alertness. Protecting your melatonin production is absolutely non-negotiable. Without it, your body cannot reach the deep sleep phases necessary to repair muscle tissue and strengthen your immune system. Your brain is a highly complex biological engine that relies on strict pattern recognition to run its internal systems effectively. When you sleep and wake at random times, especially sleeping in on weekends, you confuse your circadian rhythm and disrupt the timing of those chemical releases. You have to establish a consistency anchor. That means locking in the exact same sleep and wake times 7 days a week without exceptions. Once your schedule becomes mathematically consistent, your brain trusts the routine. It triggers melatonin release and morning wakefulness automatically. What you do in the first 10 minutes after you open your eyes dictates your focus capacity for the entire day. The immediate morning protocol is simple. Step outside and expose your eyes directly to natural sunlight. When early sunlight hits your eyes, it resets your circadian rhythm and triggers a natural serotonin release that boosts your mood and mental clarity. Compounding sunlight with cold water or movement rapidly spikes dopamine, flooding the body with a clean, powerful energy surge. This strategic chemical reset clears morning brain fog, allowing you to wake up naturally without relying on caffeine. People who treat sleep as an afterthought eventually crash into burnout, but strategic sleep maintains the cognitive clarity needed to perform all day. Your mind is not a hurdle to fight against. It's a rare, high-performance tool that requires the right biological maintenance to operate at its peak. Look at your own routine. Which of these 5 steps are you currently neglecting? Drop your number in the comments below. If you want to continue learning about behind your daily habits, hit that subscribe button right now. Thanks for watching.